Well, it's midnight in the Howard household. I was just looking at my bird clock there. It is not high noon, but it is midnight in the Howard household. Well, how do you like that? And the two shall become one. I'm going through all my pictures on the wall. And it is midnight of July the 19th, 2021. And Stephen will be home about, roughly within 12 hours. So I wanted to give everybody a preview of what Stephen will be doing when he comes home for a few days. So Stephen, I'm showing you first here on YouTube. You have your boxes of the AMSOIL. It arrived, as you know, this week. And so he has 5 of these. So he has 5 of these 2.5 gallons. And then he also has a brand new oil filter. So anyway, we've got 2 in there, 2 in there. So quite a package that came for Stephen, and he will be busy. Stephen will make his delivery roughly about 8 o'clock this morning, I imagine, in Louisville. Stephen, I don't know if you're scheduled for 6 or 8. I don't know. So anyhow, he's going to make a delivery in Louisville, Kentucky this morning, and we are roughly 4 hours from Louisville, and he will be home. And one of the things that he's going to be doing today is, or today or tomorrow, is his oil change. So you've got some goodies waiting for you, Stephen, when you come home.